Hi, Stampin' friends. Dee Osburn here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today we're going to compare two paper trimmers, the Stampin' Up paper trimmer and a Guillotine Style paper trimmer. Two of my favorites. I think that every crafter should have both. If you can afford it, then boy, that would be amazing because they both offer different things, and we're going to talk about what those things are. Also, both of these make great gifts for crafters. Say someone only has one or they don't have any. This is the one tool that I don't think I could do without my paper trimmer, right? I can cut with scissors, but I can't really cut that straight with scissors. And if you're like me, a paper trimmer helps you out there. So many possibilities. Great gift for crafters. If they have one and they don't have the other, that's another great idea. Let's dive in here and look at the two different styles. Okay, the first one we're going to look at is the Stampin' Up paper trimmer. It has a lot of great features, and we're going to talk about all of the pros and cons for both of these. The Stampin' Up paper trimmer has two options. There's this arm right here, and we're going to look at the underside of it. You can score and you can cut with all in one with this paper trimmer. That's a great feature of this paper trimmer. You can score and cut all in one on the same tool. It has this great arm that comes out so that you can cut larger pieces of paper. It goes all the way out to 15 inches. So you can easily do a 12 by 12 paper here. So let's cut. Let's see how it works. We've got inches at the top, and we're gonna say trim this at, let's trim it at 2 inches, right? Okay, so you put it here at the 2-inch mark, push the arm down. You have to make sure that your cutter is at the top before you put this arm down. So if you're holding your paper, you can easily lift it with your thumb. It's just so convenient. You put it up like that, and then you cut it across. Okay, and I'm going to go back up again. Now, this is one of the disadvantages I feel this paper trimmer has. You have to replace the blades because, as you can see, it did not cut for me all the way. If you have brand new blades, it's going to cut it beautifully, right? Well, I need to replace these blades, and I'll have a link to where you can do that. If you have this and you need new blades, then you can do that. I'll also have the link for the actual trimmer. This is my favorite feature of this trimmer. This is why I need one of these, right? If you are going to make any kind of a fun fold card, say for example a swing card, you can cut in the middle of the paper. You can't do that with a guillotine style. So on this arm right here, it has the inches, it has the measurements. So suppose I want to, maybe you can see it better if I put it down like this. Okay, it's got the measurement. So suppose I want to cut at 2 inches, right? So I'm going to move the blade down to 2 inches. I'm going to put my paper in wherever I want to cut that. We'll just go at 2 inches. And say I want to cut down to, let's see, let's just go 4 inches. 2 inches and 4 inches. That's easy, right? Easy, easy, easy. So I'm going to go 2 inches. I'm going to cut down to 4 inches. I'm going to go back up, cut that. Let's actually, I want to cut it a little more. Let's go down, say, to 6 inches. Make a nice long cut so we can look at it. Okay? Now, this is why I like this trimmer. This is why I need one, right? We all need to make these fun folds. You can make a pocket card with this. You can make a swing card, which I'm going to show you in my next video. You can do all kinds of fun things with this trimmer that you can't do with the guillotine style. Okay, so let's look at the guillotine style now. The guillotine style, now I've had this trimmer for probably over 20 years. It's an X-Acto. You can get them on Amazon. And I will put a link down below if you're interested in a X-Acto guillotine style. I do get a commission if you purchase something from one of my from my affiliate link. So thank you in advance if you are doing that. And I just wanted to put that disclaimer on there and let you know I will get a little something for that. So here's the guillotine style. 2 inches here. I got it all the way down. Boom. I just cut it. Oh, it cuts so beautifully. I have never had to replace this blade, like I said, and it's not sharp. I mean, it's not like sharp to your finger, whereas the other one will hurt you. Okay. Not sharp to your finger, right? But wow, does it cut, right? It cuts it beautifully. Never had to replace this blade. You can sharpen the guillotine style blades by getting some aluminum foil. Okay, take some aluminum foil, fold it up, cut. The guillotine style, as you can see, is a little loud, but that's okay. I don't mind that. It's actually kind of a satisfying sound to me. So you can cut away, right? Never have had to replace this blade. I've had it for over 20 years. So these are the 2 styles of paper trimmers: the Stampin' Up style paper trimmer and the guillotine style paper trimmer. Great Christmas gifts for your avid stamper. You can give them both, give one or the other. If you don't have them, get it for yourself. These are 2 things that I think I can't live without. My paper trimmer, ugh, I don't know that I could live without my paper trimmer. So hopefully this helps you with your wants and needs. Hopefully it solves some questions in your mind as to which style you might like to get, gives you a couple of gift ideas, and there you go. I'll put those links down below, and you have a great day. Until next time.